Okay, my opinion's out of the way. Let's move on. Our next piece is an odd little one, the four tetrarchs. After the reign of Marcus Aurelius, the empire fell into political instability. When Emperor Diocletian came to power, he sought to restore order by establishing the tetrarchy, or rule by four. The four tetrarchs ruled from four different cities: Milan in Italy, Trier in Germany, Thessalonica in Greece, and Nicomedia in Turkey. This sculptural portrait displays a step away from relative naturalism into stylized rectangularity. The four tetrarchs look more or less the same in their facial features and their clothing. This emphasizes that they were equal in power. But, as we will see in this week's readings, the tetrarchy does not last long. Lastly, today we have yet another example of commemorative architecture, the Arch of Constantine. Constantine, as we will see this week, is a remarkably important figure in the spread of Christianity. He quite controversially legalized Christianity in Rome. This was constructed 200 years after the Arch of Titus and commemorates Constantine's rise to power after defeating Maxentius in the Battle of the Milvian Bridge. While the arch features many original sculptures and reliefs, it also utilizes pieces of art that were stolen from other memorials. The statues along the top are from Trajan's rule, the medallions on either side are from the rule of Hadrian, and the Attic reliefs are from the reign of Marcus Aurelius. All right, that's all we have for today, so don't forget to take your quiz, and I will hopefully see you all on Wednesday.